Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I recently took a trip to the beautiful island of Cyprus, a place full of incredible wildlife and natural history. And instead of taking just one traditional camera kit, I decided to do something a little different. I wanted to see how the absolute pinnacles of modern smartphone photography, the Vivo X300 Ultra with a 400 mm lens and the Oppo X9 Ultra with a 300 mm kit, would compare side by side with a dedicated mirrorless setup, the Nikon Z50 Mark II paired with a 300 mm prime lens and a 1.7 times extender. I won't bog you down with numbers, charts, or pixel peeping technicalities. I'll simply let the images speak for themselves. This video is more of a chill journey through the wildlife of the island, captured across these three fascinating setups. So sit back, relax, enjoy the gallery, and let me know in the comments if you have a favorite photo. I hope you enjoyed this little escape into the wild spaces of Cyprus. Looking through these images, it's absolutely staggering to see how far mobile technology has come. The fact that a device sitting in your pocket can adapt to heavy wildlife glass and stand proudly alongside a dedicated Nikon system is incredible. Each of these setups brought its own unique flavor, color science, and magic to the trip. What did you think of these? I'd love to hear from you down in the comments which shot stood out to you the most. Thank you so much for watching and for spending this peaceful time with me. See you in the next one.